परम स्नेह शिला मातृवृंद सभी के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायथ दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार हो। बहुत अच्छा लगा पूनम दीदी की सुंदर ब्रज की ककिला की भांति उन्होंने इतने सुंदर
So she sang so nicely, just like a cuckoo bird of Braja. Really, she's asking Gurudev, please just bless me, Gurudev. She's really melting the heart. Remember that if Gurudev was here, really, Gurudev actually, he is still with us, but not physically. Because whenever we used to go for Kirtan with Gurudev, then, so we used to cry. The microphone I gave you, where is it? So I stayed sometimes in the house of Rasa Bihari Prabhu, and his house was a matter. Gurudev is Hindi? Did you connect? So the house of Rasa Bihari Prabhu is a Mahatirtha because Gurudev used to stay there. Also many times, maybe for 4 or 5 days, I did Venugita Katha in the house of Rasa Bihari Prabhu. So Rasa Bihari Prabhu and Gurudev, they have a Lokik Sadbandhu Bhat Priti. Do you know what is this? What is Lokik Sadbandhu Bhat Priti? Just like in this world, you are together with your mother, father, and you're together with your family, everybody together, you know, in the family. In the same way, Gurudev had so much love and affection with them, always with them. So, this, the Prabhu, this Bear Prabhu and his family has so much love and affection for Gurudev. They are so important in the preaching of Gurudev. They offered life, their body, their mind, everything in the service of Gurudeva. The Didi who is sitting here, Premalata Didi. Everybody call her. She's crying. Yeah, because when I see them, I remember all these things. How they helped in the preaching of Gurudeva here in Delhi. Really, they did so much service of Gurudeva. Also, in the house of Ragadeka Didi, also Gurudeva used to come to her house, sit there. So even though they had even small houses, maybe, how many people used to come to your house? Ask him. Westerns, Indians, everybody used to come to his house for Gurudev's program. And when Kirtan was going on in their houses, Braj Kirtan was going on. Just like now the Didi, she's saying. So she lives just in front of the Didi's house. So the air of the Premalata Didi's house is coming to the house of this singer, this Didi who sang. So Prabhuji told me to come to his house. I will go. Your house is a topmost pilgrimage place. Where else can I go? I'll not leave anyone. Yeah, I remember so much Gurudeva. When I see these devotees, I remember completely about Gurudeva. So much I remember Gurudeva. How Gurudeva. This East of Kailash. Actually, each dust of this East Kailash, each dust of this place makes me remember Gurudeva. So it's such beautiful. So beautiful. Now we've celebrated the centennial of Gurudeva. Actually, it's for 1 whole year that we're going to celebrate. It's not only 3 days and it's finished, stopped. No, it's for the whole year we are celebrating the centennial. Even today also we go to Noida, and also tomorrow we'll go to Gulabali, another place. Everyone. Also for 7 days in Mathura we did the Bhagavad Sapta, but actually for the 7 days actually we only did description of Gurudev's glories. I glorified Gurudev, and also I told the devotees to stand up, and everyone glorified Gurudeva also. The newcomers, the old devotees, everybody, I told them to stand up and speak about Gurudeva in Mathura. Why? Because there's no other glory except the glory of Guru. So that's why I explained there are 2 Bhagavatas. How many? 2. So you listen about 1 Bhagavatam. Right?
एक भागवत
So generally you heard only about one
एक
Bhagavatam.
भागवत नहीं
But
दो
our
भागवत
acharyas explained there's not only one
सुना
Bhagavatam,
कि
there
नहीं?
are two. Have you
ये पूनम
listened to
दीदी
this?
समझ में आ रही है? सुन रही
Did you understand,
दो भागवत क्या है
understand
बताओ?
Didi? What are the two
पता ही नहीं,
Bhagavatams? You
आज
don't
हम
know?
पता लगा देता
So I'll tell you, then you will
हूँ। एक
let you
होता
know.
है ग्रंथ भागवत,
One is Grantha
जिस
Bhagavat.
भागवत लेकर के हम
It's like
पाठ
the
करते
book
हैं,
which we're reading and
12
everything.
कैंटो जो श्रीमद्
Of the 12
भागवत
cantos, Srimad
इसलिए
Bhagavatam.
ग्रंथ भागवत कहा
This is called Grantha Bhagavat.
है। और एक होता है
And another
भक्त
one is the
भागवत।
Bhakta Bhagavat.
क्या बताया?
What did I say?
भक्त भागवत।
Bhakta
इस
Bhagavat.
भक्त भागवत की कहा जाता है
So
जीवंत
the Bhakta
भागवत,
Bhagavat is called Jivanta Bhagavat.
साक्षात
Means the
रूप
devotee
में
of Lord is the alive Bhagavatam.
पास विराजमान
Means
होते
he's always with us, near
साक्षात रूप
us.
में जो मुझे भगवान की प्रेममय कथा को श्रवण कराते
Directly he's
सुनाते
telling me the
जो हमारे हृदय में
material
मानो
amorous
पग में
pastimes of Lord. This
कण
devotee
कण में
of Lord who is
विराजमान है।
always,
सर्वत्र जो है वो हमारे पास रहा
he's always near us. Actually, Guru Pada Padma, he's everywhere.
शुद्ध भक्त की कहा
Everywhere
जाता है
and always near us.
जीवंत भागवत।
Actually, the
जीवंत
Shuddha
भागवत किसको
Bhakti, the
कहा
pure
गया?
devotee, is called Jivanta
शुद्ध
Bhagavatam.
भक्त है।
Means the Bhagavatam alive.
जैसे
So the
आप लोग
Shuddha
ने
Bhakti, the
कितना
pure
सुंदर
devotee is like this.
भावों की
So like today, also
है,
you with such
करते।
beautiful bhava you're
बहुत
singing.
प्रसन्नता हुई
I'm so
है।
happy.
और हमारे तो
And
क्या नाम है उसका?
what's her name?
कुंजेश्वरी है। नाम
Kunjeshwari
ही तो
Didi.
सुंदर है।
Her name is so
और कैसे
beautiful,
सुंदर नृत्य भी
Kunjeshwari,
करती रहती
and she
है।
dances so
है,
well.
इनके घर में भी कई बार हम
Many times also I did
है,
program in her house.
बहुत ही है, भक्त की महिमा जगत में प्रचार।
So we
श्रीमद्
have to preach the
भागवत में
glories of the
भगवान की
devotees
चरित्र
everywhere
कथा
in the
कितने
world.
हैं?
You know
थोड़ी सी कथा।
how much the glories of Krishna
है?
is in Srimad Bhagavatam?
कृष्ण
Just
ने
a little bit. Krishna, he
माँ जसोदा की गर्भ से जन्म दिया,
took birth from the womb
फिर
of
माखन
Mother
चोरी किया,
Yashoda. He
ये
stole
अनेक
butter,
कथाएं
this and that,
है।
many stories of
किंतु
Krishna.
देखो श्रीमद् भागवत में
But in the
प्रथम
Srimad
स्कंद से
Bhagavatam, in
लेकर
the
के
first canto until the 12th canto of the Bhagavatam,
सर्वत्र जो है
everywhere actually you only
भक्त के
find
चरित्र
the
कथा बना है।
character of the devotees. Character of the devotees.
स्थान नहीं जहाँ पर भक्त
There's
की
nowhere
महिमा है।
in the Bhagavatam where there is
भगवान
no
भी
the glories of
क्या
the
करते
devotees.
हैं?
Means in the Bhagavatam only the glories of the
भक्त के
devotees are
पीछे
there.
पीछे दौड़ते हैं।
And Bhagavan himself is running behind his devotees,
आप सेवा
running
कुंज
behind
जाते
them.
हैं।
Have you gone to the Seva Kunja?
सेवा कुंज में क्या कर रहे
You know
हैं?
what is going on in Seva Kunja?
श्रीमती राधा जी के क्या कर रहे
Swayam
हैं?
Bhagavan Krishna is
क्या कर रहे हैं?
what doing?
चरण सेवा।
He's serving the feet of Shrimati Radhika. He's massaging her feet.
परात्पर परतत्व
You see, Krishna who is
अनंत
supreme
करोड़ विश्व
absolute
ब्रह्मांड विजय
truth.
नारायण।
He is the supreme lord of all the unlimited universes. He, all the great demigods like Brahma and Shiva, they bow down, they bow their heads to his feet.
संहिता में गए
Just like in Brahma Samhita explains.
गोविंदम आदि पुरुषं तमोन्वितम् गोविंदम आदि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविंदम आदि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि। ईश्वर परम कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादि आदि गोविंद सर्व कारण कारण। वो अनादि है।
He is Anadi. He has no beginning.
गोविंद गोविंदेति थी गोविंद गो माने
Govinda. Go means
गो
cow.
माने इंद्रियां
Go also means senses. Indriya.
गोप गोपी
Gopis and Gopas.
ब्रजवासी
Brajavasis.
ब्राह्मण
Brahmanas.
देखो गो शब्द
Veda. You say go has so many meanings.
सबको आनंद प्रदान करता है।
And Vinda means that person is giving bliss to everyone. How?
इतने सुंदर सुंदर
He's giving bliss by
मधुर मधुर
his
लीलाओं के
sweet
द्वारा
leelas, his
बंसी
sweet
बजा
leelas of
करके
Vraja,
सबके
playing the flute.
आकर्षित करते हैं।
He's attracting to
गुरुदेव
everyone.
कहते थे,
Gurudeva used to say,
देखो गोविंद
look,
नाम इसलिए पड़ा स्वयं इंद्र ने उनके नाम दिया क्या?
Indra gave him the name Govinda.
ब्रज की ऐसी सुंदर इसमें लीलाएं हैं।
All these leelas of Vraja are very beautiful. But look,
श्रीमद् भागवत में
in the Srimad
वास्तव
Bhagavatam,
में देखा जाए
if you really
जो
see in the
भक्त के लीला
Bhagavatam,
चरित
the
कथा
Bhagavatam is describing about the glory of the devotees of Lord.
कितने मधुर है,
The
सुंदर है।
Dhruva pastimes is so beautiful.
भजन राज्य में प्रवेश करना
If
है
you want to enter the realm of
तो
spiritual
पहले ध्रुव
life,
के से
first you must
चरण आश्रय करें।
take shelter of Dhruva.
धीरे धीरे चलें।
Slowly, slowly you progress.
ध्रुव महाराज की कथा। इसके पश्चात कैसे चले?
Then after that,
प्रहलाद की चरण आश्रय करें।
if you like take shelter of
किस प्रकार
Prahlada
प्रहलाद महाराज
Maharaj,
जी
how Prahlada Maharaj, he
अपने को समर्पित किया,
surrendered himself, offered himself completely, his soul.
भगवान के लिए सब कुछ नौछावर कर दिया।
He sacrificed everything for Bhagavan. You see, the father of Prahlad Maharaj gave him so many sufferings. Still, Prahlad Maharaj, he never gave up holy names. Okay, we take Harinam from Guru, and but then later we stop chanting. You don't even remember the name of the Guru. Yes, Maharaj in Vrindavan, I think Narayana, he gave me a Japamala. Then another Guru comes, then you take another Japamala. In the end, you have 8 or 10 Japamalas in your house. People do like this. No. You must have nishtha, steadiness, from loyalty. Okay, you give up that guru who is going through wrong paths, that guru who is not doing bhajan. If that guru is Mayavadi, he's chanting Aham Brahmasmi, I am God, then you give up that guru. This is direct saying, this is the Bhagavad Shastra. You have to check the guru before you take a shelter of him. Like you have to analyze who is he, is a proper guru or not. Just like to drink water. Before you drink water, you should analyze. If you drink any water without analyzing with your eyes, like God gave you eyes to see the water. The water you're gonna drink is good or not. Maybe you get coronavirus from if you drink any water. So you have to analyze this guru is doing bhajan or not. What is the parampara, the disciplic succession of this guru? Where does he live? What does he do? You have to listen about the guru and understand who he is. Listen the katha of the guru. I tell you honestly that where is he from? Who does he worship to? And so you have to accept Guru after knowing who is the Guru, and also drink water after knowing if the water is good or not. And if you took shelter of Guru, you should never give him up. It's do or die. You know everything. Maybe can ask if it's okay. Like the sound is coming. So, like the Vrajavas, they are saying, I can give up my cow. I can give up my mother. Don't give up your mother, Subin. Anyway, I give up my mother, my friend, my brother, my cow. Anyone, but I can never give up Govinda. Brajavasi say like this. So you should never give up the bhajan, never ever. That's why I always say, don't give up. Connect, unite. Connect to whom? Connect to Guru. Connect with Krishna. Like connect everyone with Krishna. Like engage everybody in Krishna's service somehow. Just be steady in your life and do Bhagavad Bhajan, chant holy names. Gurudeva used to say one thing. Look, everybody in this world is unhappy. If you sit near anyone, the person will tell you what? He will tell you he's unfortunate, like his unhappiness. Nobody will say, oh, I have 1 billion rupees. Yeah? So this word is Dukkhalaya Shatam is full of unhappiness. Actually, the name of this world is place of unhappiness. So how to get happiness here? The water of the ocean is sweet or salty? Savory, no? Or salt. Who has drunk the water of the ocean? Have you drunk the water of the ocean? Where? In Jagannath Puri. Have you drunk the water of the ocean? If you take 2 drops of the water of the ocean, you're like, wow, because it's salty or savory, you say? It's salty. And if you're not careful, you can even be dragged by the waves. That's why I was telling what I was talking about. About Dhruva. Ambarish Maharaj also katha so beautiful. He was a grihastha, but still, how he did bhajan with his own hands. He used to clean the temple. Ambarish Maharaj, he was the king of the whole world with all the 7 islands. He was the king of everything. And what did he used to do? He was, with his own hands, he was cleaning the temple of the deity, cleaning the temple himself.
देखो कितने तात्पर्य क्या है? भगवान ने हाथ दिया किस लिए?
God gave us hands for what?
सेवा के
To serve.
हम तो कहते हैं देखो हाथ की शोभा केवल कंगन नहीं है.
So actually the meaning, the ornaments of the arms is not only wear
हाथ की
bangles,
शोभा किससे है?
like for
भगवान की
example gold bangles or
कंगन है तो
something.
बहुत अच्छा है.
If you have some bangles, very nice also. I'm not telling anything against
मत
bangles.
सोचो.
Don't think
हम
this.
शास्त्र की श्लोक बता
I'm
रहे
just
हैं.
telling a
किसके
shloka of
हाथ
the
में
Shastra.
कंगन है,
So if
तो
somebody has a
हमें
bangle,
कहने की
say, oh, Maharaj is saying that you should not have bangle. Don't take any offense.
आज में बोले हाथ
But
की
I'm saying
शोभा
the
क्या
really
है?
beauty of the
ठाकुर जी
wrists,
की
not only wearing bangles, actually serving the deity with your arms.
ठाकुर जी की सेवा.
Serve the
भगवान ने
deity.
गले में इसे सुंदर स्वर दिया.
Like God gave you a
जैसे
beautiful
जी
voice,
सुंदर
just
कीर्तन
like
किया.
this sister should
ठाकुर
sing
जी के
so
सुनाओ
well.
ये मीरा जी
So you have to
मीराबाई
sing
जैसे
to the deity, just like
मना
Mirabai
भाई के
used
नाम
to do.
सुनिए.
Have you heard about Mirabai?
ये भगवान के दिए हुए सब.
So everybody, all
देव
these
है,
things
ये
are
तुम्हारा
given
नहीं है.
by Krishna. It's not
इसलिए एक सुंदर
yours.
गले के साथ क्या करो?
So if you have a beautiful
हारमोनियम
voice,
बजाती है.
do you play harmonium?
बहुत अच्छी है.
Yes. Oh, very nice.
हैं?
She even teaches harmonium. She teaches harmonium. Very nice.
हैं?
She
आपका
teaches
नाम
us.
क्या बताया?
What's your
पूनम
name? Punam Didi.
हाँ. अरे
Not
दीदी
Didi,
करती
only
ना.
Punam.
अच्छा ही है,
No,
सब
I
लोग
speak
अच्छा
Didi.
ही है.
It's good to call everyone Didi.
बढ़िया बढ़िया सबको
Very
सिखाती है
nice.
ना.
So you teach everyone harmonium.
बहुत अच्छी.
Very nice.
हाँ
Yes.
यही बात.
Yeah.
भगवान की
This thing.
सेवा.
Serve Bhagavan.
अम्बरीश महाराज की कथा कितनी
The
सुंदर है.
Katha of Ambarish Maharaj is
गुरुदेव कथा
so
सुनाते थे.
sweet. Gurudev used to tell this Katha. I didn't, not me. It's
ध्रुव चरित्र
Gurudev
कथा,
also used to tell about Prahlada,
अम्बरीश
Dhruva,
महाराज की कथा.
Ambarish Maharaj,
और
everything.
अंत में जाकर के
And in
गुरुदेव
the
का
end,
हमारी एक विशिष्टता क्या है?
what is the speciality of Gurudeva?
सारी
His
कथा को
preaching.
बोलते बोलते जाकर
Gurudev
के
is speaking all this Katha.
गोपियों की
In the
कथा
end, he used to reach about Gopi Katha.
आज में और गुरुदेव जो थे ब्रज रसिक थे.
And Gurudev was
देखो एक
Vraja
बात मैं सीधी
Rasika.
कहता हूँ, जो आप खा
I
के
tell you,
उसको डकार तो वही आएगा.
if you eat
डकार
something,
समझते थे?
the burp you have is the same according to what you ate. Like the at the end, it will have the same
हैं?
smell or taste of
जो
the
खाओगे
thing you
वही
ate. So whatever you ate, that thing you will burp after.
तात्पर्य क्या? मैंने
So in the
इसलिए
same
बताया,
way,
देखो
I'm
तुम्हारे
telling,
अंदर में जो भाव है,
whatever mood you have in your heart,
ब्रज की भाव है और स्वाभाविक रूप में क्या है?
automatically
वो आ जाएगा.
this will come out somehow.
तुम बैठ नहीं सकते हो.
You cannot sit down.
अपने आप खड़े होकर के
Automatically,
क्या
even
करोगे?
standing,
हैं? नृत्य करोगे.
you start dancing.
हैं? देखो कितने
Look
भाव कैसे सुन
how beautiful bhav.
हैं? जैसे हम लोग जाते हैं,
Just like when we go to Nidhuvan,
हैं? निधुवन में जाते हैं.
in Nidhuvan, we go there.
देखो उसके नाम सुना कि ना?
So
क्या
have
बोले?
you heard the
बीजू
name
बावरा
of
के नाम सुना?
Biju Baura
हैं? अर्जुन हरिदास.
and Haridas? His name also Biju Baura
इतने
and
सुंदर
Haridas.
थे. सम्राट अकबर भी आए थे.
Even the emperor came,
सुनिए बेस बदल करके आए.
changing clothes like with in disguise to listen
और
from him.
जानबूझ करके उन्होंने क्या की तानसेन ने क्या की
Some emperor came and to listen for him in disguise.
और उन्होंने क्या
And then
की उनके हाथ से
he little bit he came out of the rhythm, and then he took out the instrument from that person who missed the rhythm,
इसलिए बता रहा हूँ.
and then he played so well the instruments.
क्योंकि जिसके हृदय में जो
Because
भाव रहता
if
है
somebody has this bhav
वो
in their
अपने
heart,
आप
automatically this will
बाहर आ जाए.
come out.
छुपा नहीं पाओ.
You cannot hide your mood.
इसलिए हम गुरुदेव की हमने देखा इतने रसिक आचार्य
So Gurudev was such a rasik acharya.
रस की कथा बोलते थे.
He used to speak Rasika
भक्त कृष्ण की इतने सुंदर सुंदर लीलाओं की वर्णन करते थे.
and beautiful pastimes of Krishna also.
वृंदावन की लीलाओं की स्मृति हो जाता है.
And we remember
किस प्रकार
the Leelas of Vrindavan. He was also remembering the Leelas of
और
Vrindavan.
गोपियां
How Krishna plays the
सब कुछ
flute.
छोड़ करके
And the
घर
gopis,
सब
they
कुछ
leave
छोड़ करके
everything and they
और दौड़ करके आते
come running to Krishna.
हैं. हम लोग जाते हैं वृंदावन में.
When we go to Vrindavan to Vamshighat and
कृष्ण ने बंसी
Rasastali,
बजाई
Krishna
और
played the
सारी गोपियां
flute.
के
And all the gopis, what did they do?
सब छोड़ कर चले.
They gave up
निसम
everything
गीतम तदनंग वर्धनम.
and they left to Krishna.
कृष्ण की बंसी ध्वनि सुन करके
Listening to the
सारी
sound of the
गोपियां
flute of Krishna, all the
अपने
gopis, they
घर के काम छोड़ करके
stopped their household duties and they went running towards Krishna.
एक कथा भी गुरुदेव
So Gurudev used to tell one story. The time is already over. But I just want to tell you something that Gurudev told. His mood, how
कृष्ण की
it was.
बंसी ध्वनि सुन करके
Listening to the sound of Krishna's flute.
देख
All the gopis
ये
came
गोपी
in
की जय
Krishna's flute.
एक आंख में
that when Gopi
काजल और
had
दूसरी आंख में
eyeliner in only one eye, not in the other eye.
कृष्ण ने कहीं अरे तुम्हारी
Krishna
सारी
told to the Gopi,
अलंकार
look,
समझते हो?
all your alankaras, all your ornaments,
हैं? बहुत
they
सुंदर
are
है
very nice and
किंतु
beautiful,
एक
but
आंख में काजल और दूसरी आंख में
you have eyeliner only applied in one eye,
तो
not in the
उसमें
other
ब्रज की
eye.
कीर्तन भी करते
Then there's a
हैं।
Vraja Kirtan explaining,
मैं श्याम सुंदर मैं तो आ रही थी
Shama
तो
Sundar,
काय
I
को
was coming, but
बंसी बजाई
you played this flute
श्रृंगार कर
suddenly.
रही थी
I
आज
was
गोविंद ने इशारा कर दिया
decorating myself, I was dressing up to come to
गोविंद ने
meet
क्या
you.
इशारा की
Because Krishna had
देखो
indicated, he had given
गोविंद
a
की
tip.
इशारा समझते हो
You know,
हिंट कैसे
Isara means
करते
like hints.
बार बार
Krishna had given a
इस बार
tip,
जो है
a hint. How?
हाथ लगाने
Krishna was again and again
गोपियां
putting
समझ
his hand
जाती
on
है
his
आज गोविंद के साथ
hair.
कहाँ
So
मिलन
gopis,
होगा
they understood. Oh, today we're
केशव
going to meet
कुंज
Krishna in the Keshava Kunja.
कहाँ पर
Where?
एक केश शब्द से
Because Kesh
केशव
also means hair. So Keshava
कभी भी
Kunja.
कृष्ण एक सुंदर
So
जे
sometimes
हरी
Krishna
हरी
takes
जो
a small
पत्ता लेकर के
leaf,
घुमाने लगे
green
गोपियां
leaf.
समझ जाती है आज
Krishna
गोविंद
takes
के
a small
साथ
green
कहाँ
leaf
मिलन होगा
and starts moving this leaf on his hand. And
बांके बिहार के थोड़ी आगे जो है क्या कुंज के
so
नाम
in
है
front of,
हैं?
near Banki Bihari, there's Harit Kunja. Hari means green. So Krishna starts
हैं?
moving this green leaf and indicating to the gopis like a
तो इस
hint that they
प्रकार
will meet in Harit
एक
Kunja.
आंख में अंजन है काजल है दूसरी आंख में
So you have only eyeliner in one eye, not in the other. Then Krishna
वो गोपिया कार्य वो गोपी कार्य मैं आ रही थी
Gopi told,
श्याम सुंदर तू काय को
was coming Krishna, but then you played the flute.
और
Why?
मैं तुम्हारे वंश जन सब भूल गई
And then I forgot everything when I listened to the sound of your flute. Listening to this, Krishna himself,
काजल
he
मंगाई और
he took the eyeliner and Krishna himself
काजल लगा
applied eyeliner, kajal in her eye, and the rest of kajal which was in Krishna's hands, Krishna rubbed on a stone. And until nowadays, if you go to that place, where?
आजनोब कहा जाता
In Ajanob, one place,
है हाँ वहीं पर भी अभी तो वो मंदिर
you can
सुंदर
see
मंदिर
that
है
beautiful
वहीं
temple.
पर भी वही जो है पत्थर
And in his
कृष्ण
temple,
जिस
this
पत्थर
stone
पर
is there. Is the same stone which
वो
Krishna
अंजन यानी
he put the
अभी तक है वो
extra
पत्थर तब थोड़ा
eyeliner.
घिसो,
Still, this
देखो
stone is there. And if you rub the stone, some eyeliner comes in your
वज्रनाभ ने
hands.
उस गांव
The
के
great
नाम
grandson of
आजनोब
Krishna, he gave the village
अंजन
name,
से
his name.
आजनोब
From Anjan
लीलाओं की स्फूर्ति होता है
came this word
जो
Ajana,
रसिक जन होते
the
हैं
name of the village.
ब्रज में कहीं भी जाते हैं
So those who are
और ब्रज की
Rasika,
उसकी भावना
they
हृदय में
can be everywhere, but
और गुरुदेव
wherever they go, they see all these bhavas of Vraja.
60 years
They see simulation of the Leelas of Vrindavan. Krishna stayed, Gurudeva stayed 60 years in Vrindavana and did so much.
मथुरा में
Gurudeva stayed 60 years in Mathura doing bhajan and sadhana, remembering all these Leelas, and he was always with the Vrajavasis, so much together and mixing and like
इसे कहते हैं रसिक
intimate relationship with the Vrajavasis. So Gurudeva is a
और
Rasika Acharya.
इसमें ब्रज के जो ब्रज एकेडमी संस्था
So the institution
गुरुदेव
Vraja
के क्या
Academy
टाइटल दिया
gave a
सबको
Gurudeva
जानते हो।
a
क्या दिया
title. Which title?
जो कि आचार्य
The Acharya
जुगाचार्य
of the age.
है
Yuga Acharya.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु के जुगावतार कहा जाता है और गुरुदेव के क्या टाइटल दिया
Mahaprabhu is called Yuga Avatar and Gurudeva Yuga Acharya.
तत्व सिद्धांत में गुरुदेव ऐसे एकनिष्ठ
Gurudeva was
निपुण थे गुरुदेव
expert in all the Tata Siddhanta.
समस्त ब्रजवासी लोग
Gurudeva was expert in all the Tata Siddhanta.
गुरुदेव की
And
कैसे
all the
सम्मान
Brajavasis, they used to
मथुरा वृंदावन के
honor
जितने
so
बड़े
much
बड़े
Gurudeva.
संस्कृत के
So in Mathura Vrindavan,
पंडित थे
all the Sanskrit
गुरुदेव
of
की
Pandits,
कैसे सम्मान
sorry, all the Pandits in Sanskrit, they used to honor Gurudeva
इसलिए
so
गुरुदेव की
much.
महिमा जगत में और भी प्रचार हो
So this
हम
glories
कृष्ण
of
की कथा
Gurudeva
क्या
may be
प्रचार
preached more and
करेंगे
more.
प्रचार करो किसके
So who
गुरुदेव
will
की
preach
जय हो
about
गुरुदेव की जय हो
preach about Gurudeva? May Gurudeva be victorious, Jai Ho.
गुरु की महिमा
Actually, the duty
जगत
of the
में
disciple is to
प्रचार करें जय श्री
preach the glories of Gurudeva in the
जय
world.
श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय जय श्री राम। अभी हम लोग भी दूसरी तानपुर भी जाना
Now we must go to
5
another
बजे
place.
4:30 5
So
बजे
5 p.m. there
वहीं
will
पर
be
भी नोएडा में
in Noida.
जाना है।
We have to
मैं
go
चाहता
there.
हूँ और कथा बोलते
I
रहो,
wanted to
गुरुदेव
speak
की
more
कथा।
Harikatha about Gurudeva.
हैं? अच्छा 2 मिनट बोलो
So she wants to speak for 2 minutes.
बोलो
नहीं बोलना चाहती हूँ मैं कि भागवत तो होती है पर मेरे अंदर मेरी ये इच्छा है
So the Bhagavata is going on.
गुरुदेव की कथाएं
But I want Gurudeva that to stay for 1 week in my house.
भागवत सप्ताह 2 सप्ताह लिखो
I want to do like a Guru Saptaha, like 7 days speaking about Gurudeva in my house.
जितना भी करें वो काम है
कम हो जाए।
The more we do, it's still less, like not enough. For 1 week,
बोलो
speak
वृंदावन
about
की
Gurudeva
आरती कर लो, समय हो गया।
in her house.
ये सैनिटरी पे गुरुदेव का वो आया है कि
So this devotee, he put it's a device that is repeating Gurudev's Harinam Mahamantra. You can switch on the, it's electrical. So
जय हो।
those who want can contact him, and he will sell in Navadvipa. It's 500 rupees.
निकालेंगे कैसे कर सकते हैं
500 rupees.
जय श्री गुरुदेव।
And then those who want to buy can ask him.
जय श्री राम।